Hello everybody, Ryan Concord here, realtor with Marples and Associates. I'm also the showing agent for the Marples property management team. If you're looking to purchase a home, contact me. I'd love to get you started on that process, answer any questions you may have, get you hooked up with the lender, and get you pre-qualified and pre-approved to get you out there home shopping and into a home of your own. Get you out from renting and into owning. Definitely a wise investment, changed my life. However, I am a showing agent for Marples Property, so I'm here at a rental property in, technically this is Clyde, California. You might say Concord. The website, it's borderline Concord, smaller area called Clyde. It's a beautiful home. And as you walk in here, you can see just lots of space, lots of yard space, a lot of decking. It's raining out now, so but if you walk into the living dining room here, and I gotta just get a little shout out. Today I'm a little thrown off track because my son, one of my sons, just had a daughter, so granddaughter for me, so grandkid number 3. So I'm a little excited, thrown off, so I apologize. Kind of staring off at that. My mind's kind of somewhere else a little bit right now. I just got a picture of her. She's a cutie, so I don't even know her name yet. They've been withholding it from us. So anyways, here we are, living dining room, wide open space. If you look out the window here, that's the view. So when you come into the home, you're on the main level. And then there's downstairs. There's one room upstairs, and then the rest are down. So here's your kitchen. It does have one full bath upstairs as well. Here's your family. It's got a little kind of eating nook here. And again, because of the rain, avoiding going outside, but you can see the deck here. And then you got the view. This is tucked away in a court. Your little bar over there in the corner next to your fireplace. Some vaulted ceiling. So this home's already a good size. With the vaulted ceiling, it makes it seem that much more grand. So there's your eating area. Again, your kitchen, you got the stainless steel fridge, black and stainless oven, executive chef vent there. And then your eating nook, again, you got that great view. And as you come around here, here's your bath. So it's kind of nice with the guest bath, kind of ideal concept. But then on the left here, you get the full shower. And you got bedroom number 1. Really big size room here. So, I mean, you can fit a king size bed in here, no problem. And then coming into the garage, 3-car garage. And lots of space. And as you walk in, you got a deep closet in here. And if you come on down, you got dark wood flooring. I believe this has flooring all throughout. If you come to the right here, you got a bedroom here. So now we're on the lower level. And you got another bedroom here. And there's some of your backyard. Then you got another full bath here. Shower over the tub. You got extra linen closet space. And your washer and dryer is tucked in here. There's your hookups. And then you got the primary room back here. This has a deck. Going out to your back room. It's got this large walk-in closet here. Turn on some lights. So you got your closet there. That's the entrance to your room. And then there's the entrance to the deck. Again, you have upper decking and then the lower decking. And then I'm pretty sure most likely they'll clean out that, do a yard cleanup. And then you got the primary bath. Double sinks, nice tub. And then there you have it. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 4910 Highland Court, Concord. Contact me to schedule a viewing, or better yet, contact me to find out how we can get you qualified to purchase your own home. Love to help. I got a lot of clients in credit restoration at the moment. I have a great credit restoration guy. And then have a few buyers already got pre-approved, showing them some houses. So let me know how I can help.